Hai, Assalamualaikum. Ini butter yang saya dah preheat selama seminit. I preheated the machine with some butter. And I'm gonna add in some chopped garlic. Saya akan masukkan bawang putih yang telah dicincang halus. Dan kita akan masak sekejap sampai dia naik bau. Gonna stir fry it until it is fragrant. Okay. Okay, and now we're gonna add in the mushroom. Kita akan tambahkan mushroom. And now we're gonna add in the chicken. Kita nak masukkan ayam. Okay, we're gonna add in the sauce. Okay, I already pre-made my sauce. I mixed everything up. Milk, cheese, butter, spices. Okay, saya dah mix dah semua bancuhan cheese mixture ni. Ada cheese powder, ada garam, secukup rasa, cream. Semua-semua itulah. Okay. Nanti saya akan sertakan resepi. Dan kita nak masak yang ini pula. Okay, we're going to let this one cook for a bit. And then we're going to put in our macaroni. Bila semua dah masak, baru kita akan masukkan macaroni last sekali ya. Okay, it's already boiling. We want this stage, okay? Then we are going to add in the pasta. This is 200 grams of macaroni. You see? Just nice. When you cook anything, don't overflow this area. Kalau masak apa-apa, jangan overflow bahagian luar yang bahagian bottom ni ya. Okay, ini 200 gram macaroni yang saya baru masukkan. Okay, dan kita akan biar dia kacau sebati. Gonna let it cook together until it's all well mixed together, and then we're gonna test to see if we need to add any more salt, any more pepper. Okay, bila dia dah sebati, kita akan rasa dan tengok sama ada perlu tak tambah apa-apa lagi, garam ke, lada sula lagi ke. Okay. Okay, dah masak and it's cooked. And it's cooked. Dah masak. Looks very, very good. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.